Good morning students. God bless you. Welcome to maths class. In this section, we are going to see about the exercise 1.5. Before start, recall the last class. The last class we have discussed the cubes and cube roots. This is a cube. If a number multiplied by itself, then itself again the number is a cube number. Okay. The inverse form of cubes is the cube root. Okay. So exercise 1.5, fourth question. Find the smallest number by which 10,985 should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Okay. Which smallest number divided to this number we get a perfect cube. This is your question. Okay. The solution. The given number is 10,985. Here using bifurcation method, first find out the divisors. Okay, this is odd number, so that's not divided by 2. Then 3, you want to check means 3 3s are 9 and 1. 6 3s are 18, carry 1. 6 3s are 18, so 5 does not divided by 3 exactly. So then 5. So 2 5s are 10. This is 1 5s are 5, carry 4. 9 5s are 45, carry 3, 35. This is 7 5s are 35. That's all. Okay. Next, select the number of, again next select 7. So this is 3 7s are 21, then 1 7s are 7, carry 2, 27 does not exactly divide by 7. Next number is 11, so 11 is not divided by this number. Next 13. Okay, so 1 13s are 13, okay, carry 8 because 21 minus 13, 8, so 8 89, then 6 13s are 78, here you get 89. So subtract this number 1. This is for 1. So 117 for this number. 9 13s are 117. Okay, that's all. Then using once again 13. This is 13 13s are 169. Then 13 ones are 13. Understood the prime factorization? 10,985 can be write 5 into 13 into 13 into 13. So it can be write 5 into 13 power 3. Okay. So here prime factor 5 do not have triplet. Okay. Therefore 10,985 is divided by 5, we get perfect cube of, we get perfect cube. Okay. Therefore cube root of 2,197 is equal to 13. Therefore find the smallest number. That means the smallest number is, therefore the smallest number is 5. Because 5 divided by 10,985 we get the perfect square, perfect cube number. Okay, that's all this question. Fourth question. Okay, next question, fifth one. Find the smallest number by which 200 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. So which number want to multiply for 200 we get a perfect cube. This is our question. The solution, so same manner of the previous question. Okay. The given number is given number is 200. Okay. Using prime factorization factorization method. In prime factorization, so the 200. So even number 2, 1 2s are 2, then 0, 100 2s are 200, then 2, 5 2s are 10, that means 50 2s are 100, then 2, 25 2s are 50, and this is 5, 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5. That means 200 can be write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 is equal to 2 cube into 5 square. So we need to one more 5 because 5 cube you get, the number is a perfect cube. Here 5 square only appear, so we must need a 5. Okay. So here prime factor 5 do not have triplets. Therefore, we must need 5 multiply with 200, we get perfect cube. We must need 5 multiply with 200, we get perfect cube. That is 200 into 5 equal to 5 2s are 10, that is 1000. Then cube root of 1000 is 10. Already know. 10 multiplied 3 times we get 1000. Okay. Therefore, the smallest number is 5, the needed numbers. Therefore, the smallest number the record number is 5. That's all the fifth question. Sixth question. Find the cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. The solution. The cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25 is equal to cube root of this value split into time. The 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Because every value want to split the cube root of value. 8 has the cube root. So 8 into 3 into this is multiplying by 9 4s are 9 and 4. 9 4s are 9 and 4s are square numbers only. Okay. So 9 4s are 36. Max into this is for 80 into 25. So 80 into 25 is equal to 200. So multiply these two numbers, 8 into 25. So 8 5s are 40. Okay. 8 5s are 40. Carry 4. Then 2 5s are 2 8s are 16 plus 4 20. Remaining this is 0. So 80 times of 25 is 2000. Is equal to cube root of 8 into 9 into 3 is equal to 27 into 4 2s are 8. 4 times of 2000, say 8000. The cube root of value. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27 is 3. Then cube root of 8 is 2. Then 3 zeros, x is 1 0. That means 8000, cube root is 20. 2 3s are 6. 6 20s are 120. This is the cube root of this value. Have you understood? Okay, dear students, 8th question. You have 7th question is a homework. So 8th question. What is the square root of cube root of 46,656? The solution. The question is, what is the square root of, this is for square root, and cube root of 46,656. Have you understood the question? This is your question. Square root of cube root of this value. So this is equal to square root of and cube root of. So square may not be mentioned here. Okay. So cube root of this value using prime factorization method. So 4 using prime factorization 46,656. So cube root of value. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 8 2s are 16. So 2 digits. And 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, carry 1, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 2s are 12, and 4 2s are. And 2, this is 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. And 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 9 2s are 18, 1 2s are 2, carry 1, 6 2s are 12. Then 2, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 8 2s are 16. So 7 2s are 14, and 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 9 2s are 18. This is for 3, third table, that's our number. 2 3s are 6, carry 1, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 2 4 3 we get. So 3. So 1 second. 8 times of 3, 24, 1 3s are 3. And 3, this is for 2 3s are 6, carry 2, 7 3s are 21. And 3, 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9. So we get this like 1 2 3 4 5 6 2s are, then write 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. The 6 times can be write this like. So 2 power 3, 2 power 3. Then 3 1 2 3 4 5 6, the same manner. So 2 power 3 power 3 into 3 power 3. Okay. Why I am writing in powers of 3? The cube root of values. So I want to write the cube root of values. So cube root of this answer. Cube root of 3 means 2. 2 power 3 means 2. 2 power 3, 2. So 3 power 3 into 3. That's all. Which is equal to the square root of 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Which is equal to square root of 4 9s are 36. What is the square root of 36? Is 6. Cos 6 are 36. Already know the result. Okay, that's all the answer. Our question is, what is the square root of cube root of this value? The square root of cube root of answer is, the square root of cube root of answer using by the prime factorization method we get this value. Then find out the cube root value. Cube root of this answer is this one. Then the square root of this value is 36. Therefore the answer is, square root of 36 is 6. That's all. Okay, dear students, 9th question. If the cube of a square number is 729, find the square root of that number. First find the number, so square number. The first question is, if the cube of a square number is 729. Solution. We don't know the number, so let x be the number. So given condition, what's your condition? The cube of a square number is, so the number is x, the square number is x square. The cube of square number, the cube of square number is 720. Have you understood for this one? The number is x. The question is, cube of a squared number is 729. Cube of square number is 729. Then find the square root of that number. Square root of x is what? Okay. First find the x value. Then find square root of x. So x power 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 729. Okay. X power 6. Okay. X power 6. Using prime factorization, this number 729. This is third table. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Carry 1, 4 3s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. And using once again third table, 8 3s are 24, 1 3s are 3. Then 3, this is 2 3s are 6, carry 2, 7 3s are 21. Then 3, this is 9 3s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 power 6 we get. So compare the powers are equal, equating the base. X value, x is equal to 3. The square number is 3. This is our question. Then find the square root of that number. Find the square root of number. The square root of 3 equal to the direct result 1.732. This is your answer. Okay. Otherwise, you have a long division method. So using long division method to find the 1.732. Okay, how to try the long division method is your homework. So what is the long division method? This is for 3. Okay, so 1 3s, 1 1s are 1. Then its value multiplying it's 2, 2. Okay, so remaining is 2. Then the new number x is the 21. So this is not sufficient. 20 is also not sufficient. So making a 2 zeros, 1 point. So ordinary division, if you use 1 0 means making a 1 point. The long division method using 2 0 means making a 1 decimal place. Okay, this is a 7 times. So 7 times it's like going the number. This all are your homework. Okay, so the answer is 2 3 is equal to 1.732. Have you understood? Okay, let's do the next question. Find the two smallest perfect square numbers which when multiplied together gives a perfect cube number. We select any two square numbers, multiplying the square number, we get a perfect score. What are the numbers? This is our question, the solution. The square numbers are, the perfect square numbers are, we know them. Perfect square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and so on. Okay. This is a perfect square number because 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, and so on. Okay. Find the two smallest perfect square number which when multiplied together gives a perfect square. Multiplying any two number, that number exists, the answer is so perfect cube answer. The perfect cube values are, the perfect cube numbers are, then the perfect cube number are, this is also known, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, okay. 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, and so on. Okay. These are perfect cube numbers. So, which two numbers multiply the perfect square numbers, we get their perfect cube numbers. Okay. So, the given condition. So choose a random wise. So choose first these two numbers. 1 4s are 4. 4 is here, not up here. Okay. Then 1 9s are 9. 1 16s are 16. 1 20s are, so no one exists. Then check this one. 4 9s are 36. The 4 16s are 64. Select these two numbers. The product of the product of 4 and 16 is 64. Okay. And 64 is a perfect cube number. Okay, that's all. This is your answer. The product of 4 and 6 is 64, and 64 is a perfect cube number. The question is find the two smallest number. Therefore, the two smallest perfect square numbers are 4 and 16. Okay, have you understood the answer? 10th question. Okay, dear students, today homework, book page numbers 38 and 39. Examples 1.33, 1.34 and 1.35. 3 examples. And exercise 1.5, question number 7. Okay, that's all your homework. Do it well. Okay, thank you. God bless you.